We're coming over.
For like a little bit.
Clear the objective.
Oh, let's go. Let's win this, bro.
Charges acquired. Charges dropped.
Where are you at? There's two statues.
Where are you at?
I know, because I couldn't see him.
Yo, check me out, check me out. It's up.
Who's that with the steps?
I'll nade bottom blue.
Yo. Oh my god.
nade
Yo,
bottom
he's
blue.
done right
We got the
outside
bomb.
that alley.
Good me.
Yo, Slums is, I'm not even gonna lie, Slums is mad hard to play against a good team.
It does. This nigga. Sound like Bigfoot and shit.
He's right behind the statue.
Connection interrupted. Anybody else?
Watch your right. Watch your right. I'm both right there.
Dude, what the fuck?
All other agents are dead. Complete the directive. Oh, we lost that round. Refocus and step up.
Let's win defense.
Switching sides. Search and destroy. Defend the objectives. Poor effort. Get ready for the next round.
I knew he was gonna be right there, yeah. Yeah,
Switching sides. Search and destroy.
They boot him offline.
Eliminate the objective. Bomb acquired.
Oh, we could win this. Come on. Honestly. Oh, he's right there by the fucking van. He ate in 2 bursts. Well.
Let's take it back. Yeah, he just won.
Oh my god, dude.
1B.
He just went back to their spawn. Right there, last guy, statue. Oh my god. Right there, you saw him.
What?
Poor effort. Get ready for the next
That
round.
is, and it's my host. That's a bad thing. Look at that. That's retarded.
Everyone invite Sergio.
Halftime. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
One's in garage.
Okay. Shit.
Good shit, good shit.
Good shit.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
All we really need is 2-piece or one kill right off the bat.
Switching operation ready point. Search and destroy. Clear the objective.
You just sit back.
Charges acquired.
Pick
Now
one
they're
off
not
and
gonna
then-
push.
I'm saying, but if we can ace somebody. Good nade. I think he just ran blue.
Oh my god, dude. Fuck, this shit's gonna get me pissed. Fucking kids always have to win like this. Like, we would've fucking shitted on them.
Bomb carrier
Oh
down.
my god. No, I don't got enough 6 rounds.
It's 4.
No, I thought I had enough 6.
Agents, mission profile has not been achieved. RTB for retasking.
Yo, don't you
Sending
cap?
niggas a message.
Huh?